They're doing fine. In this video I am going to teach you how to build a image hunter bot using Python. Yes, you heard it correct, an image hunter bot. Basically an image hunter bot is basically which hunts for all the images on any website. You give it a URL and it will scrape all the images. How do I build that? I'm going to teach you just a few lines of code and it's easy. This is a tutorial, not a walk away. All right, so let's get started right from the scratch. So for the example or for the test, I'm gonna use this website, which is University of Bridgeport. So the very first thing you have to do to build a image hunter bot is basically copy the URL that you want to hunt on the website, right? So I copied that. Now you have a header, right? And you need two libraries, that is request and the beautiful soup. Always make sure that these two libraries are there inside a try-catch block. Because if you don't have, you don't want the program to crash, right? And I would say some modules, right? Perfect, lovely. Now the very first step for an image hunter bot is basically I want to make you guys something understand first, some of the basic concept. So usually the images are there inside an image tag. Even if you open Google, it's gonna be inside the image tag. So let me just do that. So here you can see image tag. How do I extract that? It's pretty easy, guys, not at all difficult. So the very first thing is basically we need to make a request to that website. Am I right? So I'm gonna say request.get URL equals to URL, and I'm gonna say headers equals to headers. Now, once that is done, we need to create a soup object. So I'm creating an HTML parser. Now the very first thing is you want to search for images, right? So you would say something like soup dot. You want to say find all. It's a camel casing. Remember that. And you want to hunt for the image tags. Now simple for I in img, that is for each image, print, or I want to say I, and extract the source attribute from that image. Let's run this. So I'm gonna run my script now and see what happens. Wow, all the images, isn't that cool? But something is missing. This is not a URL. That means we need a base URL. So what I mean by that is the URL should be something like this, right? So my new URL would be my base URL, right? And now I want to print new URL. Let's see what happens. Here you can see like a pro, guys. So hopefully I think there is one slash extra. So let's get rid of that. And now it should be fine. So I'm gonna copy any one of the link and show you how amazing it is, right? Copy URL. Check this out, guys. Oops, that was an SVG file. Let's take a. So now one more thing, guys. How can I only find JPEG images from this? Come on, guys, think. How can we do that? So how about if I do something like this? See, in Python you can do anything. It's just you need to know the syntax and the stuff. So I mean that's all. If .jpg in that voila. See, this is the advantage of Python. You have to know the basics and then you can just play with the language. So now if I run it, it's only gonna find the JPEG images, right? So these are all the JPEG images from an website. Interesting, Saumil. I did not know that. Here you see all the images. Now another question might be, hey, how can we download these images on our computer? So if you want to know how to do that, let me know, and if I get enough number of likes, I'll make a video, because making video who people who don't want to see that makes no sense. If everyone wants to learn that, I can create contents on that. This is really very cool. You learned how to build a simple image hunter bot using web scraping techniques. Hope you have enjoyed it. If so, do give a like. And I would see you guys in the next video. But before that, if you have any more questions or concerns, please let me know, and I would be very happy to assist you. Once again, this is your host, Mr. Saumil Shah, and thank you for watching this video. Of course, a lot of more interactive contents are coming on this channel, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep coding Python. See you.